Is this one that you want?
Hi there. Okay, this is our postman here at West Waterviews, and he has. You tell. Why don't you?
It's a home surveillance camera, and I can view my house from my cell phone or any computer on the net, and it connects to all the cameras that you have hooked up.
And how much was it?
250 for 8 cameras.
From where?
From Costco.
Okay.
And there is wireless systems out there. You have to look around. Swan does make wireless systems, but there is other companies that do other surveillance cameras as well.
And this can be set to trigger. Can it be set to trigger and send you an email when it sees something moving?
Yes, it's all connected to a DVR, and that records all your video footage, and you can review it at any time or go back and look at it.
Oh, I just saw someone moving there.
Yeah, that was my wife getting off the
Okay.
couch.
Is that real time?
That's real time.
Oh, is that?
Okay, there's a few seconds delay. But
It actually gave you a notice that there was movement?
no, my wife just texted me and then she just left.
Okay.
But yes, you can have it email you to alert you when there's either motion sensor or however you have it set up.
And that's all included in the $250?
Well, 250 is for 4 cameras, and then I bought the extra 4 cameras, so now I've got 8 cameras.
Okay. Now, I guess my question is, can anybody who has an iPhone also, see
Yes,
this simultaneously?
With my system, you can have an iPhone or you can have a BlackBerry
Okay.
for the app.
But let's say you and your wife, can both of you from different locations
Yes.
check?
You can have up to 3 people connect all at the same time.
Okay.
I have my wife and I all set up under the same
Logins?
logins,
Okay.
and they just go under your website address
Yep.
and log in under your handles and password, and you can view the cameras. For the main administrator, they can have full access, but anybody else, you can restrict their access to how many cameras you want them to see.
Okay. Now, you said this thing also pans? You have a panning function?
I do have a camera that pans, but I had to send it back for warranty. It wasn't working. So that's why I've got this one in here right now.
Can we see how clear it is? Like, how clear is, like,
That's my backyard, part of it.
is this some
It's hard to see on a phone as well.
Okay. Okay. Let's see that car. Is that car across the road from you or what?
No, that's in my driveway.
Driveway?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
My driveway and my motorcycle there.
Is that a dog or
There's a
something?
scooter, a little tiny scooter there.
A scooter?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you mean by a scooter?
It's one of those, the little
Kids?
old person scooter.
Oh, disability scooter.
Disability scooter, yeah.
Okay.
It's one of those portable ones that all comes apart into pieces and then
Okay.
throw it in the trunk.
So what other functions can this have? What about at night? Can it?
With the pan one, if you have the pan tilt camera, you can direct it with these 4 keys right here.
Does it see well in the dark?
Not too bad. You can make out silhouettes and figures, and on the computer, if you're looking on the computer, if you see somebody walking across the screen, you can take snapshot pictures
Okay.
of that person.
Now, is it good enough to identify a face? At what distance?
Well, depends on the lighting and the distance.
So what distance would you say could identify a face?
This is supposed to be up to 60 feet. But as I say, there is better out there if you want to spend the extra money. I just wanted it cheap.
Yeah. But with your $250 system, could you I readily identify a face at 10 feet?
Oh, pretty, yeah. Yeah, I can tell by who's coming and going in my driveway who that person is.
Oh, okay. And that's within 10 feet?
Within 10, 15 feet, yeah.
10, 15 feet. Wow. Okay.
In the dark, it's not too bad,
Yeah.
depending on lighting and stuff as well.
Now, this is the wired one, not the wireless. Is that right?
Right.
Oh, okay.
It's all wired into my home and then hooked up to the internet.
How difficult was it to run the wires?
For me, it wasn't too bad. I have an older home,
Okay.
so making holes wasn't a big issue, or You know, I have a attic space, so I can crawl around and run the wires that way.
Okay. And tell us, do you feel that this has made your home more secure? People see the cameras and stuff?
Oh, yes, the neighbor noticed the camera and, you know, they know that I'm watching the street because this is a subdivision here.
Okay.
So any cars that come down, I can see what cars it is, and then if something happens, at least then we can go back to that time and say, oh, well, it was this kind of car.
You mean a car passing
A
through?
car can come down here. There's two houses on this corner.
Okay.
So if a car comes down here, at least then I'll get a picture of that car. If it wasn't for them and it was somebody breaking in, at least then we know what kind of car it was.
Okay. Wow. So, I mean, what's your comment for somebody who doesn't have a...
For the basic home person, I would recommend any surveillance camera just to secure their own property.
Yeah. Well, you're a mailman in that area. Can you make some... Oh, okay. Well, we can go sideways too, eh?
Yeah. So that makes it a bigger view.
That's just an iPhone. Does it work on Android too?
I know it works for the Apple or the BlackBerry. They have an app for the BlackBerry. But some of the systems, they don't work the same way. You'd have to sort of look into that side of it.
Okay. Now, I mean, you hear problems in our area, and do you think this would help us?
Any surveillance cameras would help. Even having a dummy camera may help deter the average Joe from breaking in. If they see a dummy camera, then it may deter somebody.
Okay.
So it's only the ones that are eager to get your property that are going to break in regardless of a camera or not.
Okay.
But with a security camera, if somebody's monitoring that, or you have it set up so it alerts you when it goes off, at least then you can go and check it out.
Do you have any knowledge of the break-ins in our area here?
Over the last 10 years since I've been in this area, there's been multiple break-ins, and I'm surprised that nothing's been done previously.
Okay. Thank you very much.
No worries. Yeah, there is
Oh, you're still recording. Go ahead.
there is dummy cameras you can have set up, and it looks like a real camera, but
Yeah.
you know, a smart person will know what's what, but the average person won't.
Okay. Thank you. Is it okay to pass this information on?
Sure.
Okay. Thanks.